Hey kids! Welcome back to Tiny Math Genius! Are you ready for a super fun math challenge? Can you solve these simple math questions in just 5 seconds? Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tiny Math Genius for more fun math quizzes. Let's begin with the easy level.
Question 1. 1 plus 1 equals what? The answer is 2. You're off to a great start. Question 2. What is 2 plus 1? Think fast. That's 3. Nicely done. Question 3. 1 plus 2, go. It's 3. Same numbers, same answer. Did you notice? Question 4. Can you solve 2 plus 2? You get 4. Double 2, double fun. Question 5. 3 plus 1, what's the answer? Got it? The answer is 4. Adding 1 is easy, right?
Wow, you're doing great! Don't forget to subscribe for more fun math.
Question 6. 1 plus 3, what do you get? That's 4. 3 4s in a row. Question 7. Add 2 and 3, what's the total? Five is the answer. You are on fire. Question 8. 4 plus 1, go. Think fast. It's 5. Question 9. 3 plus 2, what's the answer? Almost there. The total is 5. 3 5s, incredible. Last easy one. 5 plus 1, what do you get? Six. You crushed the easy level. Ready for more? Welcome to the medium level. Question 11. 2 plus 4 equals what? The answer is 6. Excellent thinking. Question 12. What is 3 plus 3? Got it? That's 6. Double 3, perfectly done. Question 13. 4 plus 2, go. It's 6. 3 6s in a row. Question 14. Can you solve 5 plus 2? Think fast. The total is 7. Pattern broken, sharp eyes. Question 15. 3 plus 4, what's the answer? Almost there. You get 7. Nice work. Question 16. 6 plus 1, what do you get? The sum is 7. Question 17. Add 2 and 5. What's the total? Got it? Seven is the answer. Question 18. 4 plus 3. Go. Think fast. That's 7. 5 sevens. Are you counting? Question 19. 5 plus 3. What's the answer? It's 8. Pattern changed. Did you catch that? Question 20. Last medium one. 6 plus 2. What do you get? Eight. You smashed the medium level. Oh yes, welcome to the tricky level. Question 21. 7 plus 1 equals what? The answer is 8. Question 22. What is 4 plus 4? Think fast. That's 8. Question 23. 5 plus 4. Go. Got it? It's 9. New number alert. Great thinking. Question 24. Can you solve 6 plus 3? Almost there. The total is 9. Question 25. 7 plus 2. What's the answer? You get 9. 3 nines in a row. Incredible. Question 26. 8 plus 1. What do you get? Think fast. The sum is 9. This one's special. Add 5 and 5. What's the total? Ten is the answer. Question 28. 6 plus 4. Go. Almost there. That's 10. Beautiful. Question 29. 7 plus 3. What's the answer? It's 10. 3 perfect tens. The final question. 8 plus 2. Give me your best answer. 10. That is correct. You are an addition champion. Amazing work today, superstar.
Great job! Subscribe to Tiny Math Genius for more fun math quizzes. See you in the next video.